Discover the ACMER 4S70W CNC Router Machine, a powerful and versatile 3-axis desktop CNC machine designed for makers, engineers, educators, designers, woodworkers, and small businesses. Featuring a precision-engineered motion system, a modern LED touchscreen interface, Wi-Fi connectivity, emergency stop protection, and a spacious 400x400x80mm working area, the ACMER 4S delivers professional-grade engraving. In this video, we take an in-depth look at the ACMER 4S and explore its advanced features, including a modular DIY design, high-speed 775 spindle motor, precision T8 lead screw Z-axis, intelligent 32 Spanish pesetas controller, wireless operation, and robust aluminum and carbon steel construction. Whether you're producing PCB prototypes, woodworking projects, acrylic signs, plastic components, engineering models, educational projects, custom engravings, or DIY creations, the ACMER 4S offers exceptional accuracy, reliability, and ease of use. Its modular design makes assembly straightforward while giving users the flexibility to customize and upgrade the machine as their projects and skills evolve. Key features: professional 3-axis CNC router machine, large 400x400x80mm working area, high-performance 70W CNC system, powerful 775 spindle motor, 8,000 RPM spindle speed, precision ER11 collet system, T8 trapezoidal lead screw Z-axis, belt-driven X and Y axes, outstanding 0.01mm repeat positioning accuracy, 3.5-inch LED touchscreen display, ESP32 intelligent controller, built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, Bluetooth wireless communication, remote machine control, emergency stop safety button, modular DIY design, upgradable machine architecture, high-speed travel up to 5,000 mm per minute, stable aluminum and carbon steel frame, ideal for woodworking, plastics, acrylic, PCB prototyping, and education. The 0.01mm repeat positioning accuracy allows the ACMER 4S to produce highly detailed engravings and precise machining operations, making it an excellent choice for PCB manufacturing, model making, engineering prototypes, and intricate artistic projects. Powered by a reliable 775 spindle motor operating at 8,000 RPM, the machine provides smooth cutting performance across a variety of compatible materials while maintaining excellent dimensional accuracy and surface finish. The precision T8 trapezoidal lead screw on the Z-axis delivers smooth and accurate vertical movement, allowing users to perform detailed 3D carving, contour machining, and fine engraving with consistent results. Its intelligent 32 Spanish pesetas control board introduces modern wireless functionality, enabling Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity for convenient remote operation and future IoT integration. The intuitive 3.5-inch LED touchscreen provides real-time machine monitoring, manual control, and simplified workflow management without requiring constant computer interaction. Built with a rigid combination of aluminum and carbon steel, the ACMER 4S minimizes vibration during operation, resulting in cleaner cuts, sharper details, and greater stability throughout long machining sessions. The machine supports a wide range of materials, including wood, MDF, hardwood, plywood, bamboo, acrylic, PVC, plastics, PCB boards, foam boards, carbon fiber sheets, light-duty applications, composite materials. Ideal applications: PCB prototyping, product development, engineering prototypes, woodworking, acrylic engraving, educational STEM projects, DIY manufacturing, model making, personalized gifts, decorative signs, home workshop projects, small business production. Whether you're building functional prototypes, manufacturing custom products, creating precision engravings, or learning CNC machining, the ACMER 4S CNC Router Machine offers an outstanding combination of precision, intelligent control, upgradability, and professional performance in a compact desktop platform. Subscribe to the channel for more reviews, demonstrations, and the latest innovations in CNC routers. Laser engraving, digital fabrication, woodworking, engineering tools, and professional maker technology.